Hi friends, we are here with a new video. It's a review or tutorial about how to create animation for free with Krita. Krita is a free animation tool that helps to create animations for free and also help in creating awesome drawings. Krita is a professional animation and drawing creator. It has easy to use interface. So if you want to know how to create drawing and animation with Krita, then watch this video. Before starting the video, please subscribe our channel and click bell icon to never miss update. Now we start the video. Search Krita on Google. Here are the results. Click this result. Here is the website. Then click download. Here are the different versions. Windows installer 64-bit, 32-bit, Windows Portable, or Mac or Linux. Download anyone. Click install. Next. Next. I agree. Next. Create a desktop icon. Install. It will take a little time. We skip it for now. It's installed. We open the software. Here is the interface. Create new file. You can choose any of the options, animation templates, but we start from scratch. Here is the width, height, and other settings. From here, change the background color and other settings. Click create. You will find this interface. If you don't find this interface, you can add things yourself. Go to setting, Docker, add animation. Again go to settings, Docker, add timeline. Again go to Docker, add brush presets. Here are the brushes. From here you can change the size. You can also change it from here. Here are the different percentages. Here is timeline, showing the keyframes. Here are the layers. Keyframes start from 0 and at 100. Frame rate, you can change it. Is to add blank frame, duplicate any frame, remove keyframes without moving anything. If your computer is lagging, you can on this option. Is auto frame mode to make changes in the next frame. Onion skins to change color tones for the frames. Now we make simple drawing over here to create our animation. Duplicate this in alternate frames. Now make changes individually in every frame. Doing the same in all alternate frames. You can also use brushes from here to create your photos. Create rectangles from here, circles and other shapes. Color selection tool, fill tool, mask and others. Here are the color options. There are different options to create images, layers, blur option, color option, edge detection, map and others. Create awesome drawings, add dockers, themes, toolbar shown. Here are the different docker options. We undo all the changes and create animation. Go to file, click render. Here it shows the options. Image sequence. First one is image sequence. Click the folder to save the images. Here is the folder, click OK. It's rendering images sequence. Here it's creating images for every frame and saving it in desired folder. Next one is video option. Set width and height. Here is the render as option. MP4 videos settings. FFmpeg. Go to this website ffmpeg.xerenc.com/builds. From here download the build, unzip the folder, copy paste this file to the desktop. Now select from here the desktop file, click OK. This is for including audio. Save. Animation is created. Now we play the video. Here is the animation created. If you want to erase anything, click over here, then go to erase. Erase anything from here. There are the different options. So this is how you can create a free animation with Krita. It's easy to use, and also you can create awesome drawings. So please like and share our video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and give the feedback in the comment box.